Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this ruffled scrunchie. Now, this scrunchie is very easy to do even by absolute beginners, as it involves basic stitches of crochet like single crochets, double crochets and half double crochets. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that I have taken to make this scrunchie are a 1.5 mm crochet hook. These are cotton metallic threads. The green color I'll be using for main part of our scrunchie, and for giving a nice bordering I'll be using this golden color thread. Scissors and a rubber band. I've chosen this green color band because I'll be using this green color thread for making the main part of the scrunchie. So you should see to that the color of the rubber band somewhat matches with your yarn color, so that the rubber band won't be visible among these stitches. So let's begin. To start up with our scrunchie, I'll be using this green cotton thread. First make a slip knot. Now going through this rubber band all the way around, we'll be working single crochets. So just pull up this thread in this manner and work one chain. Now going through this rubber band, we'll be working one single crochet all the way around. The number of single crochets may vary depending upon your thickness of your thread. So just continue working like this till you reach this end. So here I have done with the last single crochet. In order to complete the first round, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet worked. So that completes our first round. Now I'm exactly not sure how many single crochets I have done, but just see to that the single crochet stitches completely covers up your rubber band. Now one more important thing that I forgot to mention is that while choosing your rubber band, you should go for a good quality one, so that it gives more elasticity to your scrunchie and your scrunchie will last longer. Now such type of rubber bands are easily available in market, so you can go for such type of bands. Now for the second round, work one chain. Now in this round we'll be making double crochet increases. So into each stitch we'll be working 3 double crochets. So going to the first single crochet worked, work 3 double crochets. So I worked the 3 double crochets. Now moving to the next single crochet, again work 3 double crochets. So this is the sequence for this round, working 3 double crochets per stitch all the way around. Now after completing the last set of 3 double crochets, I have slip stitch on top of the first double crochet work. So that completes our second round. Now for the third round, work one chain. And in this round again we'll be working with increases, but instead of working 3 double crochets per stitch, for this round we'll be working 2 double crochets per stitch. So going to the first stitch, work 2 double crochets. Into the next, again work 2 double crochets. So this is a sequence you'll be following, 2 double crochets per stitch till the end of the round. So I've done with my third round and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet worked and cut my yarn. The first 3 rounds were done using this green cotton thread. For doing the fourth and the final round, I'll be using this golden color thread. So going into one of the stitches, just pull this thread and work one chain, and into the same space work one half double crochet. Going to the next stitch, again work one half double crochet. So the sequence of this round is to work 1 half double crochet per stitch till the end of the round. After completing the last round of half double crochets, I slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet work and cut my yarn. Also, I have weaved in all the loose yarns inside. So that completes our ruffled scrunchie tutorial. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.